Hello, welcome back to the channel. I'm Ron. So I was going to do a quick video on some new iFlight ND filters that I just picked up. These are the iFlight 04 ND filters, which I bought for this new quad. This is the iFlight SH CineFlow 5-inch. It's a 6S quad with the DJI 04 Air Unit Pro built into it. However, as I was putting the video together, I wasn't able to get these iFlight ND filters to sit properly on the camera lens here on this 04 unit. Again, this is the iFlight, one of their new quads. And I'm a pretty strong guy, so I didn't want to break these little, these are tiny ND filters because I know it doesn't take a whole lot of pressure to install these. And I've done this a million times before on my other quads. However, after struggling a bit to get these ND filters attached and actually trying more than one of these ND filters, I was finding it was really challenging and they just weren't going on the way they should. It was a lot harder than it should have been. So with that being said, after a few minutes fighting with these ND filters, these iFlight ND filters, trying to get them clipped in, and according to the iFlight video that's out there, all you have to do is align the top iFlight logo that's on here to the top of the camera lens and it should just click into place. Well, that wasn't happening. So needless to say, the problem didn't end there. When I tried to remove the filter after I actually got it applied, again using the technique that iFlight is suggesting in one of their videos for these ND filters, it wasn't coming off. I couldn't get it. So I applied even more pressure and guess what? The whole thing literally shattered and came apart in my hand. I'll show you the pieces right here in front of me. So I'm not sure if mine was a faulty set or a common problem with these particular iFlight ND filters for the 04 system, but I'm just giving you a heads up that I'm going to be returning these to iFlight for either replacement or my money back. And in the meantime, I'll be ordering some new DJI ND filters for the 04 unit just to see how they are in comparison. So these iFlight ND filters just seem very, very stiff, very rigid to me. And at this point, I'm not recommending that you buy them, but if you have bought them, I would be interested in hearing if you've had any problems installing them or putting them on your quad. So again, not sure if these or this set that I have was just a poorly made set and it's a one-off, or if this is actually an issue with all the ND filters that iFlight is making for the 04 Pro unit. And again, it was specific for this quad because it's got the 04 Pro built into this one. So again, if anyone else has an issue or is having an issue, please leave it down in the comment below so we can let others know if there is an issue or not an issue. Or again, this is just a one-off and it's a problem with the set that I received. ND filters should snap right into place pretty easily, and these didn't feel right just out of the gate. And again, ND filters, all the ones that I've had, and I've had many, many ND filters that I've installed in quads over the years, should quite easily snap or fit or lock into place without a lot of pressure being added. I really did struggle with these, trying to get them on, and then again, once I got them on, I couldn't get them off. So even using, like I said, the technique that iFlight was suggesting, these little ND filters have a little iFlight logo in the very, very top of them, and it should just click right into place. But even now as I try it, it just doesn't look to me like these ND filters are lining up with the lens itself. So it doesn't look, looks like a manufacturing issue. It just doesn't look right. And so I'm going to return these set, try to get my money back. And DJI also makes ND filters. I'm gonna order those. The DJI set is a little more expensive. I bought these because it's actually a set of 4, and DJI's are sent to you. It's a set of 3, an ND 8, 16, and 32. These iFlight filters actually have an 8, a 16, and 32, but a UV filter as well. They were slightly cheaper, but by the time you add in the shipping, it was a comparable price. I live in the US, so even though the DJI 04 ND filters did seem to cost more upfront, it's almost a wash. So again, just wanted to give everybody a heads up. I would sit tight on these ND filters, but if you do have them, I'd be very, very interested in the comments down below if you've had any issues at all applying them to your new 04 Air unit. So that's it for this video. So again, this isn't necessarily the video that I intended on making. I wanted to make a much I wanted to make a much different video today, but I did want to warn everybody, if you're buying these iFlight 04 ND filter sets for your 04 Air Unit Pros, I would personally sit tight at this moment and see if anybody else is having a problem before you spend your hard-earned money. Again, the price between iFlight's ND filters and DJI's after shipping here in the US is comparable. So just keep that in mind. That's it. Hope you got some value out of today's video, and we'll see you in the next one. Hopefully the next video will have some better news and an update regarding what happens with these filters. So, all right, I'll keep you posted. See you in the next one, guys. Take care.